Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to highlight a comment on Facebook in 2025, whether it's on your post, on your business page, or during a live video. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps over here. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com. Once you are on Facebook, you need to simply log in into your account. Now, before going into the process, you need to understand what does highlight means on Facebook. So highlighting a comment usually appears at the top of the comment section, either because Facebook flagged it as relevant or you pinned it manually on a page or live stream. On a personal post, Facebook may automatically highlight a comment if it gets a lot of likes or replies, and these are marked as the highlighted comment to show what's most engaging. So if you are managing a Facebook page, you need to go to the post with the comments, and you can also click on your profile icon in the top and go to your profile over here. Now, whichever comment you like, you need to simply tap on the three dots right next to it, and there you will see the pin comment option. So you need to select that and it will show at the top of the comment. It is perfect for important feedbacks and the answers. If you are hosting a Facebook live, you need to tap on any of the comments in the chat to highlight it, and that comment will show on the screen for all the viewers. It is useful for answering the questions or featuring a viewer's name. You can only pin one comment, you need to remember, at a time, and this works only for your own posts and page content and not on any other posts or any other person's profile. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.